Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to do idler and tensioner pulley and the serpentine belt on this thing. Because it's got some play in it. I mean, this one's not bad, but this one, when you wiggle it, it's kind of hard for you to see, but you can see it going like this. You can hear it like clicking. But we're going to go ahead and place the idler pulley, tensioner pulley, and the serpentine belt. We got them sitting up there, so I'll go ahead, get this bolt out, they're both a 15, so we'll go ahead, get those off, and we'll pull the belt off, and then we'll get going, putting the new stuff in. Alright, so we got the bolts out. Go ahead, pop this off. That way. Okay. Alright. Almost there. Almost. There we go. Yeah. So go ahead, get this one off. Yeah, so we got the old one off. Got the new one right here. Had to take out this little washer. Change out the bolts and anyways, got that on. Go ahead and throw this belt pulley back on. Alright guys, so we got the idler pulley on. Literally no play in that one. The other one had a little bit of back and forth play. So we're gonna head, get the tensioner pulley off. And then throw this puppy back on. Gotta be about there. Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, okay. So this one. Rattles a little bit. Yeah, go ahead, open our new one. Yeah, that looks way better. Throw this puppy back on. Bolt in there. Make sure that's on it. Okay, come on. Son of a bitch. Alright guys, so we got both of the pulleys on. So go ahead. Just get the belt back on there. And then see how she runs. She's that helped with the load, engine load. For some reason I'm reading super high engine load on my monitor, and it's causing it to run slightly hotter. Whatever it is, I don't know what it is, but anyways, we'll go ahead, get the belt back on there, and then I'll catch you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so we got both pulleys on, belt on. Kind of a pain. Make sure it's aligned and everything. So we'll go ahead, throw the intake back on, and then we'll go ahead and go start this thing and see how she sounds. Then maybe take her around the block real quick. Alright guys, so we got intake back on. Go ahead, clean this stuff up. Get stuff out of our way, start her up, and see how she sounds, and then we'll take her around the block. Alright, we got it on. Everything's running. Sounds good. Go ahead, take this puppy for a spin around the block. Oh yeah. Yeah, you want to see how bad my fuel economy is? 10.3. It's terrible. Drive the boat. Looks good so far. So it should. Oh yeah, big old hole in the road. Oh. One other quick thing, if it's like rattling, if you can hear it rattling, that's not good. Both of these are rattling. This one had the most play in it, like back and forth, but I don't know if you can hear that, but that's not good. So I just went ahead and replaced both of them. And then if you see it like kind of like your belt is like shiny, that's called glazing. That's from it slipping on the pulleys, and that'll affect your alternator, your power steering, your AC. So I mean, if you're having problems with your AC or like alternator or whatever, it could be from your serpentine belt slipping. But anyways, went ahead, got both pulleys, serpentine belt on. I might go to the store and replace the tensioner too, because I don't know. I think it's fine for now, but maybe later on I'll go and replace the tensioner. But everything looks good. So that'll be the end of today's video. If you guys liked it, Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.
I can be him too. Isn't it that new soul that you needed? Well,